So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit host file on Windows 10. I think a lot of you guys having issues to save the host file. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make it. So you just need to locate the host file, which can be found go into local GC, Windows, look for System32, drivers, and etc. Here you have your host file, or you can just copy the location I put in the description below. Just copy it and paste it, go directly into the folder. So just open the host file with Notepad, just add the website you want to block and click on save. But here when I click on save, it saved directly. I don't know why, but for you, if you didn't do it before, it will become a text file. Just save it as a WordPad. As you can see right here, it's in the WordPad format. So to make it like a non-existent file like this one, like an unknown file, just go to Control Panel, go to Appearance and Personalization, File Explorer option, and click on View. Search for Hide extension for known file types. If it's checked, just uncheck it and click on Apply. OK. So now you must be aware that your file has a format after the name. So just right click on Rename, and just delete the text format and press enter. If this pop-up appears, just click on yes. That's it. As you can see, it becomes an unknown file. Then just drag it back to the location of the host file. Just drag it and click on replace file in the destination and click on continue, and that's it. This is how you edit host file on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. See you guys next.